Hey guys, Chuckpopovich here with Chris Clay. Got another super fun pallet. We paid 190 bucks for this pallet, and it was 3 pallets of outdoor stuff, backpacks, really cool finds. If you have not checked out the other video, check it out. We made a ton of money in the last pallet.
We had like $1,200 in one brand backpack.
Absolutely. Really good finds. So we're gonna get into this one and see what we get. And this was customer returns as well. And as you'll see, and Chris always tells you,
It's not customer return.
it is not customer returns. A lot of times, just overstock. You'll have these companies put it at customer returns just to alleviate any liability from them on issuing a refund back for misleading you to buy it. So,
Is that why they do that?
yeah, because if it's customer returns, salvage, anything less than A, you can file a complaint to get a partial refund back.
Depending on who you buy it from.
Depending on who you buy it from, yeah. But everyone we buy it from guarantees what they send you. So with this, unless things are actually missing, it is what it is. But I can tell you right now, it's already a good buy.
Well, speaking of that, we probably should pay attention to some of this stuff.
OGO, another nice one. Trans backpack.
It's probably like $90, right?
Yes. Another trans backpack. And these are probably like 30, 40 bucks a piece. Love backpacks. JoJo Seawall. These are Cat and Jack.
Ooh. Clear backpacks.
Clearback. We sold. Someone bought like all of them from
Yeah,
us.
these are always really popular. People are always trying to find these because you have to have them in schools when you're walking through to make sure they can make sure you have nothing in there that you're not supposed to have in there. These are always really popular. Yeah, someone bought the whole. We have like 15 of them or something.
Yeah, they bought it as a whole lot. Swimways. These are good.
20 bucks a piece.
20 bucks a piece. And you got how many?
7.
140 bucks. 50 bucks away from paying for the pallet. Swimways, we can send these right to Amazon.
This one's open. Auction.
More backpacks.
Or you want to check these ones out?
They look new, just open. Tons of backpacks.
Swimwear.
And even if you lowball it and said 20 bucks a backpack, you've already paid for this entire shipment.
Yeah. Because you might sell them all to or puzzle them, right? If you can't send them.
Yeah, if we can't send them, that's a nice Puma.
I always feel like Puma's like old school. Like you don't
Yeah.
really see too much Puma anymore.
I got a couple of Puma shirts at home,
I bet you do. It's probably from when you were like 16.
which was only 2 years ago.
Please. You're pushing 40, dude.
I look good for my age. More backpack,
What is this?
more backpack.
What's this? What's this?
Wonder Core.
Wonderful.
Up to it crunches and different workout. Huh.
Sit-ups, bridge, scissor kick, triceps, push-ups, forearms and biceps, bicycling. No, it doesn't say anything about getting rid of my damn love handles.
It would probably help.
Now, let's be honest. Your diet's important too. You can pump 1,000 crunches all you want. You're still gonna be fat.
I know, look at my diet. I don't work out and I look good.
Whatever, you gotta tell you something. Is this going to your personal gym or are we gonna try some of this?
I think it's good money. What did they clear like 80 bucks?
I don't know. There's a bunch of salvage stickers. Was $100.
There you go. So we'll take it out, see if everything's there. If it is, there's a $100 bill.
There's another tag too, so I'm assuming it was higher than that. And it's got a bunch of salvage stickers on it, and I'm sure you've heard us say this before. Salvage does not mean like it's just trash. It just means that you have to do some work to make it sellable.
And sometimes it just has a salvage sticker on there.
Because someone was lazy.
And then the only work you gotta do is take the salvage sticker off because it was never even opened.
Yeah, because someone was just lazy and didn't feel like doing an extra step. Bunch of water shoes.
Yeah, and some of those might be able to send, but I think they're a brand,
Speedo.
brand name, yeah.
Speedo. Just like you wear in front of the mirror all the time.
I like admiring this godlike body.
Did you just say God-like body?
Yeah, I'd agree with that statement, thank you.
I might have went like 300 like body or something like that, but not like
Yeah,
God.
close enough.
Blasphemy.
More Puma, more lunch pails.
These water shoes are like $40 a piece.
Yeah,
Jesus.
I actually need a pair, so this may work out great.
I think this is your shoe size right there, right?
Like an 8.5, 9. Might a little bit too small. Look at that. Maybe those might work. We'll find out. We'll do a whole separate video about what shoe fits this Cinderella here.
I will not be present for that.
I know there's some nice backpacks there.
What's that?
The blue one's more OGO.
OGO. Those got the $90 price tags.
Yeah,
on.
those are really nice. More backpacks. And more backpacks. Tons and tons of backpacks. I mean, it's just crazy how much this pallet costs.
Dude, do you think this is supposed to be like this? Like there's no, like you draw your own face on there or something? There's like no eyes. There's just a nose and a mouth.
Maybe some type of character that's out there. There's a nice little rain jacket. You could use this when you go fishing.
I have one. But thanks.
You don't have
I
pets.
don't want to buy you a lunch for it. So I already owe you 4 more. So
Some H2O Go Best Way Aqua Ramp Triple Slides. These are brand new. We'll probably be able to send these. They have $24.99 price stickers on it.
I think that's one thing I've learned in this whole process of people working with you. Don't make a freaking lunch bet when you offer up a lunch bet. I always end up have to pay up.
It's a true statement. I've had to pay up once for the Minnie
Yeah,
Mouse.
the Minnie Mouse bet. So one freaking lunch bet out of like freaking 20.
Tons more backpacks.
I always feel like you set me up and I'm just not quick enough to catch on to it sometimes. There's tons of backpacks, dude. You know, the thing is too, when I worked at Office Max and Staples, we always had a ton that went back too. And it's crazy how when we just send them to Amazon, they sell them. They sell like crazy.
I know. You'd think these companies would actually just send it themselves.
Hey, if you want
Never
to just
makes
give us
sense.
your product and we do it for you, let us know.
We could cut you in on profit.
Right.
Umbro, cleats, brand new. World Word Scramble, a giant word game challenge. That's pretty neat. 110 water resistant tiles.
Is it Chuck? Is it me?
I like it. I think you need it. The girls will like that.
Oh, there's some fancy pants down there.
Some more antsy pants, which we still gotta see if we can send these.
Yeah, somebody's not doing his job.
Chris is slacking on his duties.
Okay, they're all just prepped and ready to go. More swim freaking Sun Squad stuff.
Yes. Another word challenge game.
What brand is that?
Whatever brand you want to buy.
Oh. I was hoping we could send it and not have to do it. This one ass.
Twist time. Some more antsy pants.
Oh, these are all Camelback. See, we can send all of these. This is always a really big brand name.
Yeah,
They seem to be
usually.
popular and expensive.
There's a
Just what
bike
we
tire.
like. Popular and expensive. What
I've
is
never
it?
seen a bike tire come in. Cruiser bike tire, 26-inch, $21 price tag on it. There's Bell, and here's another one. It's Schwinn. You know, I think that every time.
A lot of people probably don't know that movie, and like we're too old. They're like, what are they talking about? What is this?
No, they're probably like, why are we following you guys? Hey, make sure to subscribe. Make sure to share us. We have a lot of fun doing it, and you guys subscribing encourages us to make more videos.
Well, we're gonna do it either way.
Yeah, it doesn't matter. Love us or hate us, we're doing it.
We would prefer that you love us and follow us, but
Prefer, absolutely. More. That's a Swiss gear backpack. Those are really good money.
I've never used these. I wonder how well they work.
Resistant bands?
Yeah,
I've heard good things on them.
it's 40 pounds. That's more like your weight level.
Maybe with my big toe.
I so thought you were gonna say something else. I was waiting
It's
for
the
it.
G-rated station.
Yeah.
H2O go. I mean, sometimes we slip with bad words, but nothing more.
Yeah. Stay tuned for the following.
For the X-rated version.
For the extra
Swimways Canopy, brand new.
and Q2.
And Q2.
Actually, we were really well behaved that day.
I was surprised myself. More backpack, ugly dolls, more ugly dolls. There is so much stuff in this pallet.
I
This
know.
pallet,
It's like obnoxious.
I would say, is worth way more than $3,000.
What are you doing, bud?
Trying to freak I don't know.
You need a hand? Yeah.
Yeah, look at all those.
What brand is that? They're
Case
laptop.
Logic.
It's an alright brand. More antsy pants. Isn't this stuff like these? Are these like $60?
Yeah, when it has the cloth and the poles in it.
I feel like that. Didn't we have that really big one that was worth a couple hundred?
Yeah. Maybe we sold these just for parts before.
Yeah, that one.
Even if they're
yeah.
missing, but
Yeah,
these
yeah.
are all brand new.
Don't stack them on the ones that already got tags for the beat that.
Mix and match container set, new. Those are filters.
For what? For the pool?
Yeah, for the swimming pools.
Do you need them on yours?
No, that's too small for mine.
That's
Weekly
what she
meal
said.
plans, isn't that what you use?
What is it?
Meal plans.
Meal plans?
You just talked about how healthy a diet was for you.
Yeah, you know what my meal plan is? Stuff my face so I can't stuff it anymore.
These are $10 a piece. Right here, $30. We'll lot them all three together. That's pretty cool.
Is it got a calendar year or is it?
No, no calendar year. Just
Nice.
Monday through Saturday meal plan, and the prep guides, grains, fruits, veggies, proteins, drinks, shopping list. Pretty cool.
Bro, my head is like right in there. Would you just let them dive in there?
That side's your side.
I was
this is
trying
my
to
side.
pull these out.
More antsy pants.
Freaking a-hole. Here.
More antsy pants. There's coffee filter.
Yeah, go ahead and get it, bro.
That's on your
Clearly
side.
I'm in your way.
That's on your side. This is my side and your side. Lunch
You need
pail,
to
lunch
tone it
pail.
up, Chuck.
Igloo, ice blocks. And there's a lot of the Schwinn stuff. More Schwinn tires. And I bet you we'll be able to send a lot of that.
That's a good brand too.
Some workout videos. You know, we could lot these type of things together. They got a $10 price tag a piece on them. You know, as we find these, just do one lot of workout stuff. They're all Zumba.
There is a lot of other stuff in here. There's gloves, there's bands, all different types of bands. Bands.
Lots of these bunch of balloons, $8 a piece. You know, we can always do a lot of them. Springtime will be right around the corner. So there's $40 there. And balloons. These are the rotten egg surprise steep balloons. Never heard of those.
Swiss gear's a nice bike. I
Yeah.
ordered that Deadpool backpack this morning
Nice.
because I was bored. Like, oh. Hopefully it looks good. Otherwise I'm gonna be pissed. It better fit my laptop too.
Dragon Ball Z.
Of course it is.
Dragon Ball Z lunch pail. I feel like I need to keep that.
Keep it and add it to your collection. No, I think the amount of profits we're gonna get from these freaking backpacks, you can afford to do that on this one.
Yeah, I think that's the real that. My dirt dry.
What's that?
More lunch pails.
Un Mas backpack.
Another swimwear.
We have a lot of these pets too, of that dog. We have tons of this one. Hopefully that can all go to Amazon. It's got like $15 on it.
Schwinn. Another swimwear. And then a Paw Patrol life jacket, which I'm sure can go online.
Oh wow. Yep, get right in there.
Another Antsy pants. Another Schwinn.
Here you go. Here's another one.
Another Antsy pants. Yeah, it'd be nice if those can go. Another Schwinn.
Hopefully these are good money too. These are nice bottles. They just got little chips in the paint.
Some more balloons we can add. And then these little Zach cups, which we can usually send.
For Ella.
Look at that.
She got Riley one yesterday, right?
Yeah, Super Mario backpack. I like that backpack. Another Schwinn.
Christmas gifts.
That's what I'm thinking. That is what I'm thinking. Whatever saves me a little bit of cash.
A little bit of quiche. There's a ton of these candle bags.
And at this point, it's just basically
Smalls.
smalls and a lot of the same stuff. Might as well flip you guys around. Box is almost empty. This pallet is worth way more than 190 bucks.
Yeah, for sure.
Way more. Really good buy. And check this out. Almost empty down there. And there's still probably, you know, at least 150 bucks down there, I would guess. You know, a lot of socks, Minecraft cup, that's probably 15, 20 bucks. So some really good finds. And then besides that stuff, everything else is on the shipment. So really good finds.
And then all the backpacks.
And then the mother load of backpacks here, and this is all from this shipment. I mean, even if you load bought and said these are $5 a piece, you'll get your money back on this pallet.
Yeah.
So, and then some of these backpacks that's in there are 80, 90 bucks, the OGOs. So all in all, really good buy. I feel like this is a home run pallet, home run shipment so far, and we got one more to go still from this shipment. For what we paid, I feel like you can't go wrong. Definitely. So we'll get this thing broken down and get into the next pallet so you guys can check it out. But again, customer returns do not mean customer returns as you saw. I don't think
This is just the end of the season merchandise that
Yeah,
they could
for
sell
sure.
through. It just ended up back to us.
absolutely. I don't think there was anything. One piece for the auction. That's it.
Yeah.
And even that, if we look at it, probably you know, new or just open packaging. So, what we got for you guys, make sure to subscribe, share us, and we appreciate you guys very much. Have a great one.